Hi there and welcome to the ECB preview. So heading into the ECB meeting, expectations are for the central bank to stand pat on monetary policy with no changes to rates or any announcement of any further additional measures. With some of the reason due to the recent uptick we have seen in oil prices, with both WTI and Brent crude futures hitting year-to-date highs, and as such this could be reflected in the ECB staff projections, subsequently hinting towards a more optimistic Eurozone outlook. In terms of the most recent projections, inflation for 2016 is expected at 0.1%, while GDP is expected at 1.4%. And also due to some of the recent uptick we have seen in energy prices, analysts at Citi do note that potential ECB projections could see a bit of a revision higher for inflation expectations. However, though, in terms of some potential comments that could surround the monetary policy meeting, some do note that which has often been touted as a case of a potential course of action by the ECB is helicopter money. However, though, it's likely that no agreement or announcement will likely be made. Also, we have seen recent comments from Draghi, Weidmann and Kerr and Villeroy stating that helicopter money is not on the table and has not been considered. Elsewhere, we may see a bit more of a technical aspect in terms of the implementation of ECB's corporate bond purchases, which are expected to begin this month. However, though, in terms of market reaction, given that expectations are for the ECB to stand pat and also less likely to provide any fireworks compared to the previous meetings, it is likely that it will be a somewhat muted affair. However, though, if the projections from the ECB are overtly bullish, then this could possibly signal in terms of dampening expectations of further stimulus measures by the ECB, and as such you could see a bit of a rise in the euro currency, while also some pressure going through to fixed income and equities. However, though, the converse is likely to happen if the ECB staff projections somewhat underwhelm expectations. Also, if ECB's Draghi's presser is somewhat dovish and potentially does discuss anything in regards to helicopter money, then you could see a bit of pressure into euro, or just if ECB's Draghi just hammers down that point that the ECB will do whatever it takes in order to reach its inflation mandate, then you could see a bit of a rise in equities and fixed incomes, subsequently stoking expectations of further easing by the central bank. That's it from me. I hope you have a fantastic week.